This is tutorial 5-3 on page 178, and I still have tutorial 5-2 open. We're going to open tutorial 5-3 from the maps folder, and we're already in that folder. Let's go to maps 5-3, click on open, and no, we don't need to save those, I don't think. Okay, here we go. Alaska and Hawaii are not visible in the one in the book. If we go to full extent here, yeah, that doesn't look very good. So we will click on our little plus sign here, and we'll try to make it look kind of like what they have in the book, which is something like this. Okay, and we want to save that in Chapter 5 folder. So let's go to File and do Save As. And again, this is exercises, so go to exercises chapter 5 and save tutorial 5-3. And the table of contents, we want to right click on layers, and we're going to do some things with the coordinate system of this map of the United States. So click on coordinate system, and under projected coordinate systems, which we've already expanded I think from last time. No, we haven't. Okay, here we go. Projected coordinate systems. And we want continental. And we want North America. And we want North America Albers equal area conic. And then click on OK. So North America Albers equal area conic. There we go. And click on OK. And it says differs from one or more data sources on the map, and it doesn't really say anything about that in the book, and we're going to say yes, we want to use this anyway. And there we go. Instead of having a flat line across the northern border here, we now have a curved line across the border. And it says there are a few other projections, such as North America equidistant. They should all look familiar. This is your turn on page 179. The conclusion is the smaller part of the world that you need to project, the less distortion. There remains much distortion at the scale of a continent, but much less so for the entire world. By the time you get to part of the state, there's practically no distortion left. So if we take a look here, if we just right click and go to properties and look at some of our other choices here, let's do North American equidistant. Click on OK. Click on yes. And let's see how that changes. And it doesn't look a whole lot different to me. Must be some small changes, but they're not obvious. Okay, and that is the end of tutorial 5-3.